Hi dear artists, art students and art lovers. I am sculptor Guru Prasad Ayyappan from Rishikesh Art Gallery, Kollam. Through in this video, I introduce an eminent painter named Shekhar Iyenthol. Shekhar Iyenthol has participated in our first on-air painting exhibition. Rishikesh Painting Exhibition 2023-24 is considered as a historical milestone in art culture of Kerala. The painter Shekhar Iyenthol, commonly known as Iyenthol. Iyenthol is a name of town in Thrissur district, located at Kerala state of South India. The painter born and brought up in this area. In 1954, Shekhar Iyenthol, born as the third son along in 6 children of late couple Mr. and Mrs. Kurumba and Kuttappan. They were in a middle class agriculture family. The exact date of birth of Shekhar Iyenthol is 24th September 1954. After primary and high school education, he sent it to Government Occupation Institute in 1976. Now the institute upgraded to Government Finance College, Thrissur. He studied drawing and painting from there. At that time, the head of the institute was V.S. Balakrishnan Mash. He was very brilliant painter, especially in watercolor. Later, he became the guru of Shekhar Iyenthol in painting. 2 years later, Shekhar Iyenthol posted as a guest art teacher in Government Occupation Institute in 1978. After the art experience from the Government Occupation Institute, he became an art teacher in Anakara Government HS, Edanattu Government HS and Kumaranallur Government HS in Palakkad district. A long experience in art teaching, he took voluntary retirement from the service in 2007. After his retirement, he concentrated in creative painting and art activities. Along with his service as an art teacher, he connected and participated in all activities of Kerala Chitrakala Parishad. After the glorious activities of painting, he became the State General Secretary and State President of Kerala Chitrakala Parishad. Shekhar Iyenthol conducted and participated several art camps and group exhibition in state and national level. He conducted many solo exhibitions with his paintings. Shekhar Iyenthol created a special unique style in painting. His style known as Iyen style. His many paintings placed in several countries as private collections and gallery collections. Now he became an eminent role in Indian painters. His painting style is very simple and innocent. He used different lines and colors in his paintings. The style connected with village life and tribal life. He used the color shade of natural light and shade. We can see many epic and Puranic characters in tribal life style in his paintings. He created several paintings in his unique style connected with the Idakal cave art. The paintings gives a new artistic version of history of primitive culture. The painting can use a guide to discover the Idakal cave art. Shakir Evrakad collected Ian's Idakal cave paintings and wrote a reference book along with the paintings. The book gives an artistic history of Idakal cave art. It is a very good document for the world of painting history about Idakal cave art. Now the painter Shekhar and his thousands disciples in painting, creating a new magical world of art. Thank you very much.